Once people came to the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and they pleaded with him to pray for his progeny, for the blessings of this world. To pray for his progeny, mind you. Zurriyah. Do you know what verse, in what verse the Holy Prophet ﷺ prayed? These words are the key to the entire problem. He prayed, Allahumma rzuq ala Muhammadin kifafa. O Allah, give to my progeny only that will suffice for their basic needs and nothing beyond that. This he was asking for his progeny who were dear to him. And naturally it is the greatest blessing. And wealth is not. Wealth is the greatest trial in this world.